Hello, in front of me I've got MIO MiVue. In this video I'll show you how to change your dashcam language. In the beginning, disconnect your dashcam from the app and next go to Profile. Enter voice language, select new language from the list. Next go back, select download, and now select voice update. Go back, enable Wi-Fi on your dashcam and connect to your dashcam Wi-Fi. Connect dashcam with app and select update. Confirm and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.